Provided the SkillsTx planner has been activated for your workspace, which is the default, and once you have completed your final self-assessment survey question, the following will appear on the top of your survey screen. Click the Create Account button to set off the process for creating your SkillsTx Planner account. This will invoke an email that will be sent directly to you with a unique link. While the wording and the format of this email may vary, it will have two distinct links in it. One for resetting your password into your new account, and a link to access your Planner account once it has been set up. It will usually also contain a link to a tutorial on how to use the planner. Click on the Reset Password link to kick off the process. This will take you into a password reset style dialog. You will need to type in your email address, set up your passwords for your new planner account, and then press the reset button. You can now log into the SkillsTx Planner console. If you are signed into your device using either a Microsoft or Google account, and you are using the same email address as the one you provided to SkillsTx, then you can use the single sign-on facility by selecting the appropriate single sign-on button. Alternatively, you can use your email address and password credentials you set up earlier. Something to bear in mind is that now that you have set up access credentials for SkillsTx, direct links such as the one provided for your self-assessment surveys will be redundant. You will always be presented with this style login page when accessing SkillsTx from now on. To access your planner again in the future, you can use the link to the planner that was provided in your email. You may wish to save this link. Alternatively, you can get access from the login menu on our website. Once in the SkillsTx Planner console, you are able to manage your Sophia skills profile, match it to job definitions, and generate action plans for improvement. On the left-hand side is the menu, and the planner will always start in the Sophia profile menu item. My People and Analytics will only be available if the organizational structure has set you as either a team leader or a line manager. Self-assessed progress shows the percentage matches against your self-assessed and endorsed profiles and any job definition profiles that may have been selected. Hovering over the various Sophia items such as the levels of responsibility, as well as the skill categories, subcategories, the overall skill and the skill at particular levels will display the official Sophia description of that particular item. From the My Sophia profile page, you're able to change your personal details, select and view current and future jobs, match selected jobs against your skill profiles, view your skill profiles and manage and change your self-assessed profile, add skill attributes if they have been provided, produce skill profile reports, and add planning notes. How to do these actions is detailed in the help system. Each page of the planner has context-sensitive help and access to all the help articles. The help can be reached by using the question mark help icon at the top of the page, similar to the following. The My Action Plan page has similar Sophia description hover over functionality. From the My Action Plan menu, you have the ability to view the detailed skill gaps against both your current and future job selections, use the automated skill gap mapping to help generate a focused action plan, produce an action plan report, and manage the action plan on an ongoing basis. The explanation of how to use this functionality is detailed in the help system. There are some personal settings that you are able to manage from the My Settings menu item, and once again the help describes those in detail. The My People and the Analytics menu items will only be available to people configured as team leaders or line managers in the org structure. It provides them with access to view the profiles and action plans of the people assigned to them. In the case of line managers, it also provides them with the ability to make changes to action plans. And the details of how to use this functionality can be found in the help system.